compare it real quick. Yo, what's good, y'all? It's your boy, CJHorizonto, whatever you want to call me, man. Today, I was just gonna give y'all a little beat breakdown Thursday, you know what I'm saying? On my beat service. I'll let y'all hear it real quick. Yeah, man, fire ass beat. Y'all that beat. Y'all need to go link in the description real quick and see what's up with that. I'll rap on that, catch a flow, whatever you want to do. I was just showing y'all how to make the beat, how I made the beat. This is the original file FLP. If y'all want that, if y'all want the original FLP, y'all gonna have to email me, or you know, it's not for free. Let's get that straight. You know what I'm saying? But I will show y'all how I made it, and I'm gonna have the screen and everything. So let's just jump right into it. Let me make sure this shit's actually gonna work this time. It's my second time recording this shit. But yeah, so I started off the beat with I always start my beats off with melodies, and I'm a huge Triton user. So I got the Triton. I use two Tritons, one MS-20, one M1. I got all of those on Splice off the little subscription shit, you know, some cheat shit. So yeah, let's just hop right into the first melody. So yeah, that's just the foundation, but obviously it has a lot of character in my opinion, and when you have a sound like that as your first sound of the whole beat, like the rest of the beat is like the walls on top of the foundation and the fence on top of the foundation. Like if you don't got that good foundation, your building's gonna be fucked up, bro. So have a good foundation. Next, let's move on to the strings. In Triton, I just used, let's see, the small strings, you know, real simple. Yeah, man, some strings real quick. Gotta start bringing it together real quick, you know. Let's move on to MS-20. This sound right here kind of gave like almost like a sci-fi, like it's the lead of the whole, it's almost like the main sound. It's the lead of the whole song, but real sci-fi. Yeah. So yeah, after that, my last melody that I used was from M1, and it's just the default sound. Like when you buy the program itself, it's the first sound that you even hear. Like you load up the program, you playing with the keys a little bit, trying to find a melody. Dead ass the first sound, and all I really did was just EQ it and shit. Put some like flanger, I think. Let me see. No flanger, but chorus. Chorus reverb, EQ. You know, EQ the hell out of it. But yeah. It almost reminds me of Lil Uzi Vert, All My Chains. If y'all listen to that song, it kind of has that same, like, I don't know. When I heard the foundation in the first melodies that I already laid down, and then I heard the sound from M1, I'm like, yeah, it got to go together. And that's pretty much the big part of beat making, is just finding sounds that merge together perfectly and that make you feel some type of way, and hence make you feel like a listener would feel some type of way listening to it. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, so that's it on the melodies. All we have is 4 different melodies, and after that everything else is just drums. So let's move on to the chant. Let me turn on the tempo for y'all. no second one. So from the 5 all the way down, it's just 1. And then from the 5 to the 9, just 1 again. I didn't want to overdo it. You don't have to overdo it all the time. But let's move on to the clap, basic clap. Ooh. Basic clap, Mexico draw. And then I also got a Mexico draw crash that I really fuck with. Of course, you got the Zay snare. Fire, you know what I'm saying? And then I also got my counter snare. So yeah, and then after the snare, we can just bring in the open hat. Plays on the second. Let's just move right onto the hi-hats. And I have 2 other hi-hat patterns, but y'all listen to the beat and y'all will be able to get a chance to really dissect it and you know, see what I did different. And then we also have, last but not least, our 808s, the thing that brings the whole beat together. And it's just an icy twat 808, real simple. I got this 808 off of like a free pack somewhere. Oh, it's not playing. There we go. It's just real simple. Just real simple beats, real simple drums. You don't really gotta do too much, like. So yeah, after that, and of course, like I said, like with the hi-hats, I got different patterns for the 808s. So y'all just go through the beat, listen to it, and if y'all want to remake it, y'all have this video to get like a basis of how I did it. But without further ado, let's hear the full beat, man. Y'all can hear the full beat down in the description. I'm gonna link the video, or my beat video, same thing. So yeah, y'all get that to check out. I appreciate all you guys for watching, for real. Y'all make sure to leave a like. If y'all like this video, for real, leave a like, because I'm gonna post another one. What the fuck am I? But nah, for real. I'm gonna post one next week, same day, Thursday, around the same time. So y'all definitely stay tuned. Y'all definitely want to leave a like and turn on post notifications so y'all don't miss that. And of course, I'm going to be posting beats like every single day. So yeah, we're going to have a bunch of content for you guys until the end of 2026. So it's been your boy CJHorizonto. Love you guys. Y'all have a great one. I'll see y'all tomorrow.